Cat and Mouse. I love little kitty. Her coat is so warm, and if I don't hurt her, she'll do me no harm. So I won't pull her tail, nor drive her away, but Kitty and I very gently will play. Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse fell down. Hickory dickory dock. I won't pinch her ears, nor tread on her paw, lest I provoke her to use her sharp claw. I'll never vex her, nor make her displeased, for Kitty can't bear to be worried or teased. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. If she hollers, let her go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I'll pat little kitty, and then she will purr, and thus show her thanks for my kindness to her. She'll sit by my side, and I'll give her some food, and Kitty will love me because I am good.